Second part of the modeling process for our character. Starting again by the head and improving its shape. Then add a plane for the eyebrows. Scale it down to a rectangular shape and place it above the eye. Give the plane some vertical subdivides. Add a solidify modifier to the plane. Change the solidify settings to give the eyebrows thickness. Next, add a shrink wrap modifier to the plane. Make sure to place the shrink wrap modifier above the solidify modifier. Adjust the settings and general shape of the eyebrows to fit your character. Then add a subdivision modifier and a mirror modifier. Play around the settings and position of the plane to get a good result. Now we keep modeling the head shape at the level of the eyes. Use the reference of a human face if necessary. While editing the ears, I accidentally extruded them too much. It gave me the idea to make the ears more pointy, like an elf. Moving to the nose. Extrude the bottom of the cylinder. This way it simulates the nose hole and captures the light. Be-level the edges of the cylinder. Now finishing the belt with a little design. You can add more accessories to the character. Feel free to import your own style in the modeling process. Next time we will add shading and texture to the character and give it a final render.